Hey everyone, Ashley Abraham here, Litton to Fitz attorney and former DUI prosecutor, with a topic that comes up often in DUI cases: open container laws in Tennessee. We're going to talk about what the open container law is, how breaking this law can lead to serious consequences, and how it can impact a DUI charge. Open container law basics. In Tennessee, it's illegal to drink any kind of alcoholic beverage while driving, or if you're the driver, have any kind of alcoholic beverage open and in the passenger area of the car with you. Tennessee law defines an open container as a container containing alcoholic beverages or beer, the contents of which are immediately capable of being consumed, or the seal of which has been broken. And this is when the law says the open container is in possession of the driver. When it is not in the possession of any passenger and is not located in a closed glove compartment, trunk, or other passenger area of the car. The key here is that the open container law is a misdemeanor, which may not seem serious at first, but having an open container can often lead to other charges, especially if you're suspected of DUI. What is the impact on DUI charges? Here's where it gets really serious. An open container in your car can give law enforcement the legal reason they need to investigate further. It's like a red flag for officers, leading them to check further for signs of impairment, which could then result in field sobriety tests, a breathalyzer, or even an arrest for DUI. If you're charged with DUI and an open container, that open container charge can become an aggravating factor in court. This can lead to harsher penalties, especially if it's your second or subsequent DUI offense, where the state already imposes more severe consequences. Additionally, having an open container in a DUI case can make it harder to negotiate charges or reduce penalties, as it shows a disregard for the law. So what are the consequences? With a DUI conviction, you're already facing a minimum of 48 hours in jail, fines, probation, and a suspended license. Adding an open container charge could add fines and potentially complicate the court's view of the case. It may also influence the judge's decision on sentencing, especially if the open container shows a pattern of behavior. So, bottom line, if you're in Tennessee, it's best to keep all alcohol containers sealed and out of the passenger area. An open container might seem minor, but it can have serious consequences if you're facing DUI charges. Stay smart, and remember that small decisions can have a big impact. Thanks for listening, and as always, stay informed to stay protected.